Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. From Group 5 in this ISAS, we will present about implementation one-time password in online banking. Before we start, we will introduce ourselves. My name Raka Farhan Pahdaputra and my partner Doni Setiawan.
Next.
Okay, next slide. Okay, what is one-time password? One-time password is sent to the mobile device of the person who wants to log into his or her digital account. It helps in verifying identity and should be used within a specific period. As soon as the OTP enable access to the account, its validity comes to end. And since the password 4 or 6-digit numerical PIN code is most intense, can be entered just once. It's not as risky as static password that can be used a second time. Okay, next slide. How OTP work? One-time password function via random algorithm that create a new and random code each time a new password is requested. The code then serves as your second password, distinct to every account login and expires 3 to 5 minutes after you get it. This makes an OTP ideal for some of the most privileged and sensitive activities performed on the internet. Okay, next. Implementation one-time password in online banking with SMS based. One-time password are utilized as an additional factor in multi-factorization or authentication application. They are only valid for exactly one authorization or authentication request. To avoid passwordless, convenient way to provide the user with an OTP is to send it via SMS. The phone number of the user must be registered for the service to provide SMS OTP for authentication or authorization. OTP are quite popular as an additional authorization or authentication for factor in web-based service. This is implementation. The first, user login with username and password, and second, user authentication verified successful, and after that user enter personal web page and intest transaction, and after that server respond with OTP to user mobile, and after that user authenticate himself with OTP received at a mobile. And then OTP verification, valid or deny. And the last OTP valid transaction process. Okay, next.
And next is implementation OTP in online banking with QR code. So with this system, the authentication become more safe because using the QR code. First, how the system works? User must do registration with valid data. After that, the data will be stored in the database. If the registration success, the user must to log in to the server with the exactly data registration earlier, and then the bank server will validate username and password from the database. And if success, the OTP will generate some code and hides in QR code. And after that, the QR code generator will be have function to generate QR code to the screen on the application. So if the user want to know about their code OTP, the user must to scan QR code first. And after the user scan the QR code, the QR code will be appear. After that, the user can enter the OTP, and the server will be validate the OTP from the database. And if the OTP match, the user can access the banking service. And next is types of generating an OTP. First is hardware-based OTP tokens. These are essentially USB-like or smart card-like hardware token device with a small LCD screen on them so that the user can see the one-time password when it is generated. Some of them even have a few keys on them, like 0 to 9, in order to allow a user to type a PIN number before generating the one-time password. The second is mobile-based OTP token. Mobile-based OTP token as an alternative to the software-based token devices. Vendors make use of the mobile phones carried by employees or partners to generate the one-time password. This can be either done by a software application already loaded in a mobile, or the OTP can be sent to the mobile as an SMS when the user clicks on the web page, for example, which can later be used in the system for authentication with a particular corporate application. And that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.